Good morning, we're in Brunswick, Southeastern Equipment. Today we are going to give an example of how to slime a machine that's going to be used in salt. So what machine do we have here, JB?
TR270B track loader.
Track loader. We purposely left this one dirty on the inside so you see what not to do. This compartment needs to be cleaned completely. All the fittings and hoses all need to be cleaned to be prepped for the slime.
And we also want to avoid getting into the radiator, belts, and the exhaust system. As you see, because that wouldn't be good.
So avoid the radiator, the belts, and the exhaust system. What can we slime inside here?
Everything else besides the radiator, exhaust, and yeah.
The belts. All right. We want to get into all the nooks and crannies. This is
track system, not the rubber tracks, obviously.
But we need to do around the wheels.
Yep.
What else?
If it's a tire machine, we'll do behind the wheels. So yeah, we'll start.
This is the solution we'll be using. The warnings and instructions are all on top of the container. The rust inhibitor. What are we doing here?
Sliming the machine to prep it for salt.
Prepping it for salt. You just put a thin layer.
Move to the back of the machine. Now remember, we're going to avoid getting on the radiator, belts, and air filter.
Did you mix this solution or is it straight out of the can?
Straight out of the can.
What happens if you get it on the windows?
Big pain in the butt. Do not want to get on any windows.
Don't want to get on the windows?
No.
You can't see out of them then, huh?
Can't see out of it. It's very hard to get on.
All right, JB, now we got the arms down and the cab back.
Yep, so now what we're going to start is the loader arm. Careful not to get onto the windows.
What are we paying attention to over here?
We're getting the couplers, and you really want to focus on, when you're doing the front of the machine, you really want to focus on getting inside where the hoses and the cylinders are. Get it nice and soaked.
And then on the other side?
We'll do the same thing. Motor arm is careful with the hook length. Alright guys.
Is that it?
That's how you slime the machine.